It's 2 a.m. You're standing in front of the open fridge, crushing another beer and stuffing your face with leftover pizza. Again. Your gut's hanging over your boxers. You're out of breath just standing there. And as you catch your reflection in the microwave, you don't recognize the soft, weak-looking dude staring back. This isn't just a case of the late-night munchies. It's rock bottom. Listen up, because you're about to learn why your diet is destroying more than just your physique. By the end of this, you'll know the one food swap that can transform you from a flabby pushover to a lean, mean muscle machine. This isn't about looking good shirtless, though you just might. It's about reclaiming your manhood and saving your life. So, let's cut the crap and unfuck your diet. First, wake the fuck up. Your diet isn't just making you fat, it's killing your testosterone. That lack of energy, the brain fog, the limp dick, if you can even see it anymore, that's your crappy diet talking. For the next week, log everything you eat and how you feel after. Be brutally honest. You'll see the pattern. Got Taco Bell at 2 a.m., shitting my guts out the next morning? Ordered wings and nachos and jalapeno poppers again, burping all night? That's your fucking wake-up call. Next, ditch the excuses. I don't have time. Bros don't eat salad. Bullshit. You're choosing video games over meal prep. You're choosing beer over protein shakes. It's time to man up and own your choices. Choose grilled chicken over fried chicken. Choose your kitchen over Uber Eats. To help you make better choices, it's time to institute the purge. Open your fridge. Open your pantry. Anything processed, anything with ingredients you can't pronounce, it's gone. Toss it. Tricks are for kids, not men. It's gonna feel wasteful. Do it anyway. And those food delivery apps, delete them. You're breaking the cycle. And here's where it gets real. Meal prep. Pick a day. Sunday, whatever. Cook your meals for the week, all of them. It's gonna take hours. It's gonna suck. Do it anyway. You're building a habit that will turn you into the man you want to be. And what's the main thing in these meals? Protein. You're probably not getting enough. Start aiming for 1 gram per pound of body weight. Weigh 200 pounds? Eat 200 grams of protein every day. Your muscles need it. Your recovery needs it. Do it. Now, portions. Your eyes are lying to you. Use a food scale. Measure everything. You know what a serving of cereal looks like? Yeah, it's not that bowl that you're supposed to be using for the salad you're not eating that you're pouring yourself every morning. I get it. It's annoying as hell. Do it anyway. You need to reset what enough looks like. And to be real, you're just lying to yourself when you say you're bulking. You're just getting fat. Here's the kicker. You're going to slip up. You're going to have days where you say fuck it and crush a six-pack with the boys. When that happens, don't spiral. One bad night doesn't undo a week of discipline. Acknowledge it, learn from it, and get back on track. Oh, and that one food swap I promised. Ready? Switch out all your drinks for water. All of them. Beer, soda, that venti pumpkin spice latte with extra whip? Just water or black coffee. Do this for a month. You'll be shocked at how much leaner you look, how much stronger you feel. It's not exciting, but neither is being a soft, weak-willed pushover. Remember, fixing your diet isn't just about losing your gut. It's about energy. It's about mental clarity. It's about feeling like a fucking beast again instead of a lazy slob. It's about taking control of your life, one meal at a time. This isn't gonna get fixed in a day, a week, or even a month. It's a total lifestyle overhaul. You've ultimately got a choice to make. Keep poisoning yourself with crap and remain a shadow of the man you could be. Or take control and fuel your body right. Now get off your ass, clean out that fridge, and start treating your body like the temple it is. Because real men take care of their shit. Your future self, the lean, strong, confident version of you. He's waiting. Don't let him down. Now's the time to unfuck your diet.